did you hear of American Paving Design?
Well, I get your advertisements in the mail, and I've seen your trucks driving around.
Why did you go with a textured paver like Stonehurst for your pool deck?
For the pool deck, I didn't want anything slippery. That was the main concern.
And so, what made you decide to do the overlay of pavers instead of something else?
We had concrete under it. It had a lot of cracks, and to tear up the concrete is going to be a big ordeal and heavy. So, just leave it there. It's a good base. And so we just stuck these up. I really wanted an impervious top, or a pervious top, so the rain could drain. It didn't work that way.
How do you feel about your pool deck now?
It's gorgeous. I love it, yeah. And they did such a nice, quick job.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
Anyway.